Hi, this is my OneTail. I've had it since December 29th, and as of today, I have 728 miles on it. This is my second fender, but only because it came with another board that I bought for my wife. This is my second set of grip tape, which is in pretty good shape, but I do want to change it out. I like fresh grip tape. Still on my first tire, and I haven't really inspected it, but I think it's in pretty good shape. It seems like it is. And my wife helped me put on this really cool checkered pattern, and we just used duct tape for that. I told Craft and Ride I was interested in trying out the OneTail, and they sent me one to do just that. And I promised I would make a review, so that's what we're gonna do. But we're gonna install this new OneTail. I've got my new grip tape as well from Craft and Ride, which I had ordered before any of this. Rail guards that I'm going to install, just some black rail guards. I'm gonna rip all this tape off, sand it down a little, clean it up, and do something more interesting with it. Let's take apart this board. It's been through winter, spring, and we're just coming into summer now. We could probably use a little bit of attention. Okay, well, that takes care of getting the fender and the side rails off. There's tons of glue left over from the side rails. I also remembered that I have some spare bumpers. So since we're gonna make the board look pretty again, it might as well look pretty again. All right, so I just removed the front grip tape. This sensor is literally what keeps you floating. It's really easy to test. Turn on the board, just test each sensor position left and right, and then both of them go down. There we go, great. Both sensor pads look like they're working. Activate both sensors and level the board. And if we engage, then we're in business. Sensor, all good. So anyway, since I was at that step, I thought I'd go over that real quick. Good board safety. You peel off your grip tape, always test your sensor. Test it after you take the grip tape off, after you clean it, after you put the new grip tape on. Test, test, test. So falls on these things can be serious. Yeah, anyway, that was a little bit of a rant. Test your sensors. Okay, and we're disassembled. I'm gonna vacuum up this mess and get rid of all the garbage. Vacuum it out really good first, actually, and then wipe it down. Get any remnants of any kind of like glues or anything like that that are still in there. A little more cleanup, and then we'll be ready to start assembling. I've got the sensor pad back on. Went ahead and tested the sensor pad one more time. It's working great, so good there. Let's do an unboxing of this OneTail. Really don't know what to expect with this, honestly, because I've never ridden with anything other than the stock tail. I know that my feet commonly fall asleep, specifically my toes will go numb at times, and I'm really hoping that having this curved foot pad will make all the difference. These stickers are gonna go everywhere. These are good. Well, for starters, the wood looks incredible. And yeah, this looks really great. This grip tape on the back looks like it's going to match the new grip tape that I've got. Yeah, that looks like it's the same stuff, so good. Continuity, I like that. Thanks again, Craft and Ride, for sending this OneTail Extreme. I cannot wait to use it. Look, I'm not gonna lie, it even smells good. So yeah, this thing is very well crafted. I love it when you see something like this, you know that they give a damn. You know that they care. Like, they actually took the time to put something together that they could ship out and be happy about. Somebody took care when they were putting this thing together, and you can just tell. Nicely done. Great presentation, guys. Let's get it installed and finish this board. It's getting late. All right, that's it. Assembly is pretty much complete. I don't have these rail guards installed yet, and I haven't done anything with my fender to clean it up. We'll come back to this tomorrow. Put these rail guards on this fender to make it look new and more interesting. This thing looks incredible on this board. That concave, man, it already just looks like it's going to be a totally different ride. Okay, so this is where I finished off last night. I did a little cleanup this morning, and I'm ready to finish the board. Fender here is pretty beat up, pretty destroyed from all the riding, and it's time to redo that. So I'm going to peel off all of this duct tape, sand it down. I've got an interesting idea of my camera that I might drill a hole in the top there for. We'll see. Got an array of craft and ride stickers which are going to make their way onto this board. That's the plan. Let's get to it. Okay, so everything is done. I love these holographic stickers. They look the best. But there we go. So I cannot wait to get this thing outside. I think it's time to go take it out and give it a ride. Do you want to come outside? Come on, Charles. Come here. All right, let's talk thoughts on the OneTail Extreme. You can feel it immediately as soon as you step onto it. It's a totally different experience. The flat foot pad has never felt more flat. The cushion and the grip tape and the concaveness of the foot pad on the OneTail Extreme is just amazing, and it feels great underneath you. I feel a lot more grounded on the board, plus all the pressure points that seem to give me the hardest time riding appear to be gone. Now, I haven't gone on a very, very long ride to prove that out, but I would say, this thing's gonna ride longer distances much more comfortably than the original foot pad by far. Overall, very impressed. Now, I will say it doesn't seem to aid in additional control in any way. I thought maybe that would be something that I would feel, at least for me with my foot size.
I'm an 8.5 shoe, so not very big feet. It doesn't seem to make much of a difference as far as control goes. I thought maybe it might make it feel a little bit more like the One Wheel Pint when you're carving, but not the case with the OneTail Extreme. It basically rides, control-wise, the exact same, but the comfort is just so much better. So yeah, if you're a long-distance rider, I think this is a no-brainer. I mean, it's affordable and the comfort is just huge. It's slightly padded, but in a lot of ways, it feels like you're much more connected to the board than maybe you would be otherwise. And I think if you're a distance rider, you're gonna love it. If you're recreational, I don't know, you could go either way maybe, but I ride a lot. I'm probably in the neighborhood of 20 plus miles a week on the average, so this is going to make a huge difference. Well, that's about it. I don't really have anything else to say. The OneTail Extreme is a great product. I'm super pleased with it. Thank you, Craft and Ride, for sending it and giving me the chance to do this. I really enjoyed it. I love the excuse to tear down my board and rebuild it. I think it looks fantastic with your stickers on it. Couldn't be more happy. Can't wait for many, many fun rides in the future. Who knows? Maybe I'll have a chance to make another video soon. Thanks for watching.